In real life, important information happens in the moment, in meetings, during interviews, while traveling, in classrooms, even in quick hallway conversations. But remembering every detail is almost impossible. That's why you need Hyper AI audio glasses, your standalone on-device recording co-pilot for calls, VoIP conversations, online meetings, and real in-person discussions. Here's how it works.
Hello, Hyper AI. Bluetooth connected. Recording.
When you unfold the glasses, they power on automatically with the reminder, "Hello, Hyper AI." To start recording, just long press the front section of the left temple with your index finger. Once you hear the reminder recording, the recording has started. Hyper AI audio glasses are built for simple, intentional recording, whether it's phone calls, VoIP calls, online meetings, or in-person conversations. With a single long press, the glasses record what you hear, translate it, transcribe it into your language, and produce a smart summary.
Stopped.
And that's how you stop it with the reminder stopped. Your audio is saved instantly, and you can turn it into transcripts or summaries in the Hyper AI app. Hyper AI audio glasses, your recording co-pilot.